Hi, so this is me again. Gonna unbox the Oroshare. Yeah, I've already said the Oroshare gifts from one of my office mates. So here, got the Bluetooth speaker, the fan, and the power bank with display. Yeah, display. So should I open first? Okay, this one, the Bluetooth speaker. Looks nice. Box looks nice, and it's supposed to look like this. Yes, the manual. Oh, I suspect it's where the wire is. This, it's a Type C. Okay. The manual and the speaker itself. Quite nice. So it says here, shucks. Okay, I'll just read it. It's it's a 5-volt DC and has a TF card reader. Here's the charging port for the Type C. The volume, and I bet this is also the next or previous if you're playing something. The play button, play pause button, and the power. So it says the capacity is 1200 mAh, charging input DC 5 volts or 500 mAh AC. Did I say right? I don't know. Okay, so there's the top with the whatever that is. So for this. Whoa! I like the bass. Oh, it's on the photo bass. It's the radio. Oh, I think it's scanning. Are you done? No.
FM mode.
I've changed it. How do I change it? Okay, let's use an SD card. Oh, there's no drawing here. Long press. Okay. Yeah, I just turned it off. And try again. Let's move on. Moving on. Moving on. But I know it is cool. I'll try that in another video. So next is this fan. Purple fan. Oh, it's sealed. Sealed. Oh no. Oh. Wow. Lanyard. A manual. Charging cable. Anything else? And the fan itself. Ta-da. Oh, just one press. It's not a long press thing. Cool. Let's try the charging test using my Vario Acer pink power bank. Here's the port. Here's the Type-C port. Okay. Okay. Maybe it's not properly plugged. Okay. Another try. Okay. Oh, cool. Oh, I actually have another one. I personally bought some time ago. It has a stand and up to 3 levels. Alright. Here's the back. There's capacity of 1500 mAh. How about this? Okay. This has a capacity of 4000 mAh. Cool. Oh, it has a plastic protective film here. Okay, one more time. Oh, it's quite satisfying. So, stick it to the box. Yeah. And the lanyard. I'm just gonna attach the lanyard. The last item of this sponge. The power bank. The power bank. Has 10,000 mAh. Okay. What am I waiting for? Oh, this is quite premium. As if their products aren't sealed, just taped or nothing. Where's the manual? No manual. No manual. No manual. Wow. This charging cable and wow, has a built-in thing. Oh, it's showing 100% charge. Oh, there's a iPhone port and a Type C. Mm, I won't be using that because I don't have an iPhone. I have no iPhone. Dude, internet. Let's try it here. Oh, it works. But what if I don't have? I don't. My device is a US, old USB. Gosh. Okay, new gear. Unlock. I think it's gonna rip. It scared me. It was stretched. I won't be using that. Scary. Oh, okay. So what if I don't have a Type-C device, but I need to charge it? Oh, that's quite satisfying. Okay. If I don't have Type-C, oh, if I don't have a Type-C, oh yeah. Oh, so I have this here, this cord, and you have a USB port here. I don't know if it's point whatever, and it's Type C. I think this for input charging of this device. I have a phone here with uses the old one. Let's see. Does it charge? Is it moving? Oh yes, it is. It is charging. Ooh, so nice. Okay. So I think that's everything. A quick recap. This is the fan, the power bank, and the speaker. Thanks for watching. Oh wait, before I close this, she also included this. I think she got this from a whole bunch that she ordered. It's a freebie that I can use to decorate this or any other things. Yes, that's it. Thank you for watching.